Hi. We are going to work on getting insurance for our cars that we found. Okay, so my job one car is a 2012 Volkswagen Beetle. So what I'm going to do to find insurance is that I'm going to go to progressive.com. I find it's the easiest and most straightforward. So I'm going to enter 48174 and get a quote. Okay, and I don't want any other insurance except for car. So you can type your name, and then you don't have to put in your actual real address. You just need a few numbers and a street name. All right, and then your date of birth. Now this is where a lot of students make a mistake. Please make yourself 10 years older. So if you were born in 95, you would put 85, because to insure a teenager is much more expensive than to insure a 28-year-old. So like I said, we'll put 1985. Okay, start my quote. All right, so I am looking at a 2012 Volkswagen. Now, they don't have Beetle, which is odd, but let's see if I can get one this way. We have a GTI. Huh. All right, let's try a 2011. Now, I'm not sure why they don't have the Beetle. So if that is the case, then you may want to choose a different car, if it doesn't come up. So let's look at my job 2 car. And my job 2 car is a Ford Escape Hybrid. So let's see if I can get that. All right, so it was a 2012 Ford Escape Hybrid. Maybe that one. All right, I'm going to add that vehicle. Now, you can't do both at the same time. You need to do 2 separate things. All right, so I'm going to click next. All right, so body type, I'm going to go back to what I printed out from either AutoTrader or Cars.com. All right, so I have a 2.5 liter 4-valve. So I go back to my insurance quote. So SUV. Oh, I gotta find out if it's a 4x4. Is it a 4? Front wheel drive. Nope. So it is. Oops. Then that's personal. That's how we want it. A 4x2. Okay. So we're gonna own and make payments. Most cars have anti-theft devices. So we'll click that. Now it says, do you need to add additional vehicles? The answer would be no, because again, you got to do 2 separate ones. All right. So for your marital status, please put single, because if you put in that you're married, even if your story you're married, then it just creates some things that make things complicated. So primary residence is own home. We have a valid license, but please don't put in your social security number. It may ask for it, but you don't have to put it in. So you've been 3 years or more, highest level of education. So this would be my job 2. So I have a college degree. So actually, either job you'd have a college degree. All right. So what is my job? I am in construction. All right. And I will put other construction mining. Okay. Have I moved in the last 60 days? No. Have I had any accidents? No. All right. So do I need to add any drivers? No. All right. So here's the information that I've put in. And so again, it's asking for a social security number, but please don't give it. All right. Have health insurance? Yes. No. Number of additional residents? Just put 0. Okay. Again, make life easier. Now, you have to put in an email address, but you don't necessarily have to give a real email address. I usually just throw some letters and then put gmail.com at the end of it. It's up to you if you want to put your own. All right, do I have any additional policies in the home? No. Have I had Progressive? No. Have I had Progressive in anything with Progressive? No. Do I have it today? Insurance today? I click yes because if you go uninsured, again, that looks bad for you. So how long have I been with my recent? 3 to 5 years. All right, and then I'll put 25,000 to 50,000 for that. All right, so I click next. All right, say no thanks to Snapshot discount. All right, would you like us to recommend? Yes, go ahead and click we recommend. All right, so it takes a second. All right, so we have, here is, and this is a 6-month policy. Now, so I have a choice. I can do their choice package or I can do basic recommended. Now, it depends on what percentage and how expensive your car is. So my car was a little bit expensive, so I'm probably just, for my project, will do the cheap one. All right, so then over here, you're going to print quote summary. Okay, so here's my quote summary. Gives you your monthly payment, which you'll highlight. All right, so we're going to print. And I'm going to do this as an Adobe PDF, but you guys will actually print it. All right, so we want to print. All right, so save. Okay, so I will pay $173 a month. Now let's go back to the budget, okay? So remember you calculated how much you're going to have to pay. So 30 times multiplier 17, 510. And then it asks you for your car insurance. So now I can write in there, sorry. All right, so here, back, so this was job 2. Oops, I see I made a mistake there. So job 2, $173. All right, so I need to get my calculator. All right, so I have 510 plus 173. All right, so my numbers equal 683. I take this number and it goes down by job 2. Okay, I get my calculator again. I'm going to times this by 12. So 8, 1, 9, 6. Okay. All right, now I'm going to take 8,196. I will go back to my ATI, which is 45. So I'm going to divide 8,196 by my ATI, 45860, and that equals about 18%. So my choice, when I did 17%, so I'm actually really right on target. So my percentage, I write in my percentage is 18%. Okay, so I would do the same thing with my other car, and just you go through the insurance just the same. However, since I'm going to have to find a different car for my job 1. So anyhow, but that's how you apply for insurance. Hope this helped. Talk to you later. Bye.